Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to talk about blank chart predictions. Imagine you're given a horoscope, complete horoscope, just the Rashi chart, and you're supposed to predict 25, which most of us are unable to predict. Okay, with the dasha, gochar, and the complete Rashi chart or the Navmaj. Now let's make it tougher. Let's remove the dasha, let's remove the gochar, and let's remove all the 9 planets. It becomes a blank chart. Just the ascendant, just the lagna. And now you got to predict 25 events with the years when each event is going to happen. So that is what it becomes an impossible task to predict. And that's what you're going to learn in the blank chart prediction course or the secret of ascendance course, which actually is you learn what's the base embedded yogas in a chart, inherent in it. And then when you put the planet either supports the event or negates the event. The planet will either give the event or will not give the event. But we do not know what's the inherent DNA of the chart. It is the inherent problems like of our body. Okay. So this is that course where you can learn only by knowing the ascendant what all events are going to happen. For example, for a Sagittarius Lagna, the mother would have heart disease or heart ailments or a weak heart. Instantly, you can predict for a Gemini Lagna. Okay, for a Gemini Lagna, the person could have issues of the stomach region, chronic diseases of the stomach region. Gemini Lagna person would find it difficult to stabilize in his career, a lot of career problems. If the yoga planets support it or not, but you need to know. You need to know the base yoga. So here in this course, 6-month course, you will be learning eventually how to form yogas after knowing the base yogas. For example, we have a dharma adharma technique. You can 92,000, 84,000 combinations, 92 lakhs, 84,000 combinations. That's approximately 93 lakhs combinations you can find of putting one planet in an ascendant. So join this course, which eventually makes you think like a rishi, create sutras, because you know the base, which has been missing for the last 10,000 years of Vedic astrology as it has developed. Thank you.